Every SpaceX rocket begins with aerospace-grade materials, engineered for extreme performance. Every sheet is carefully inspected before manufacturing begins. Precision cutting prepares every component for assembly. Powerful forming machines shape the future rocket. Automated welding creates strong and reliable structures. Every weld is verified, demanding aerospace standards. Individual sections become a complete rocket structure. The foundation for powerful engines carefully installed. The heart of the rocket is finally brought into place. Every completed stage must prove its precision before moving forward.
Every fuel tank weld must withstand enormous forces. Pressure testing confirms every tank is perfectly sealed.
Hidden systems guide the flow of rocket fuel. Advanced electronics become the rocket's nervous system.
Every connection must perform flawlessly during flight.
Thermal protection prepares the rocket for extreme temperatures. Every engine is verified before final assembly. From raw metal to engineering excellence, the journey is only beginning. Individual sections unite to become a complete SpaceX rocket. Every system is tested in the factory. From raw metal to engineering excellence, the journey is only beginning. The rocket's engines are installed with absolute precision. Every engine is inspected before testing. Precision fuel lines deliver power where it's needed most.
Every connection is carefully secured for reliable performance.
Advanced electronics prepare the rocket for flight. Thermal protection shields the rocket from extreme heat. Every structure is verified to aerospace standards. The final assembly brings every system together. Months of engineering now stand ready for launch. From raw metal to the edge of space, every detail matters.